Welcome kwenye episode number 2. Tunaona how to create a simple college or university weekly timetable system kwa kutumia Python programming language, Django HTML pamoja na Bootstrap framework. Kwenye hii episode number 2 tutaona how to create model, perform model migrations pamoja na kuadd model kwenye admin site pamoja na perform business logics. Kwenye previous episode tuli introduce our project demo. This is a project demo. Okay, so tulisema kwamba our project ina two sides. Ya kwanza ni student side, ya pili ni administration side. Kwenye student side, student atapick a particular program ambao ana study particular semester and year of study, then ata search weekly timetable of a current year. Okay, so for example now nikirudia kwenye hii select a program, atapick particular program, for example Master of Science in blah 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 blah, another click particular semester, for example semester number 1, year of study is year 1, then ata search teaching timetable, weekly timetable, then ata click search. Now you can see hii ni table of weekly timetable from back end. Okay, now kwenye hii table kuna day and session type, course name, course code, instructor name, venue, time of session, time to start and time end, and course description of each day, Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday ni working days. So now ukiona katika on Tuesday, kwenye Tuesday total courses zipo 5 courses. Je, ni zipi hizo? Hizo courses ni hizi hapa kwenye course name, course number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. 5 courses. And from course number 1, session type is discussion, okay? And course number 2, session type is lecture. And session number 3 is tutorial, presentation, again lecture, okay? And this is course code for each course, and this is instructor, and venue for each course, and time to start a session and time end. And hizo courses zote tano, 5 courses. Hapa hajaonyesha hizo ni course zipi. Descriptions is course description, kwamba course code hii hapa ambayo ni hii. Which course? Cooperative Management and Accounting. Course code ambayo ni hii. This course ni course gani? Hiyo literature. Course code ambayo ni hii. Okay, ni course gani hii? Of course ni concept of philosophy and so on. Mpaka zote tano zimeelezewa hapa. Hiyo ni kwa Monday, on Monday. Again on Tuesday kuna 2 session. Session ya kwanza ni lab, session ya pili ni lab. Hizi ni course names and course code, instructor, venue of each course, time and course description. Wednesday is the same, Saturday, Monday, Friday is the same. So hapa for example now una select another program, semester, year of study, click search, unakutana na timetable nyingine ya currently vilivyoselectiwa hapo juu. And this message is back end, from back end tulisema weekly timetable of selected what program is Bachelor of blah blah, Department of Economics, from back end, okay? And from Monday to Friday in date range and current year. So tulisema hii ni just a dashboard. Now sija login, then naingiza username, password, then I click login. After login now, hapa kwenye hii left side na 6 models, course name and so on, ambazo kwenye this episode tuenda kuona how to create these models. So nikija hapa katika course names, list of course names, department, list of departments, instructor, how an instructor, naweza kaedit a particular instructor hapo, okay? Na hizi informations zake tuliona. Na kwenye timetable, hizi ni list of timetable, okay? Nikitaka ku add na click add, then add a new timetable. Hii ni timetable ambayo inaonekana kule kwenye system ambayo ni hii. So hapa naweza nikasani lecture, venue, course name, naweza nikapick course fupi, and program, unaweza pick a program, okay, and unaweza add a new course. Uta click time to start, time to end, course name, na pick from the list, okay. Na hapo unaweza ka search course name, for example LG, naweza ka search LG, itakuja unique course name. Hizi zinatoka kwenye relationship. This is a relationship. Program name, na pick a particular program, and day Monday to Friday, then click save, okay. This is venue, naweza add a new venue. So nikiklik hapa katika timetable, hii ndo timetable student panel. Of course hapa ni empty kwa sababu haijaselectiwa chochote. So hizi ndo zimekuwa added kule kwenye administration site. Hapa nitaka ku search course name. For example nikaandika L peke yake, LG for example, then click find. Now you can see LG1 hii hapa. Nitaka ku edit, now click it, unaweza edit hapa kwenye search. Hii ni support. Na support hii just a disclaimer, privacy policy and so on. Hii just a dashboard. Click hapa, ndio click hapa log out. Hapa nime successful log out, log in again. Hapa na log in. Okay, so kwenye previous episode tuliishia eneo hili, previous episode. Kwenye previous episode okay. So kwenye previous episode tuliona we started a Django project in previous episode. We installed open source theme library ambayo ni Jazzmin. Jazzmin of course in here hapa as you see. Jazzmin version 2, current version, material design, user interface, theme open source hiyo. Na tuliona how to customize. We customized a theme ambayo ni open source theme na ni library. So today tunaenda ku create model, kufanya model registration kwenye admin site na kufanya business logics. Now navigate to our project. Our project is within documents directory. So to navigate kwenye documents directory or wherever we will create your project. Then our project is this one, project. This is our project. Then this one, project yapo. Then uta open your project kwenye Visual Studio Code ambao ni hii. So this is our project. Tuliendi hapa. Okay. So now tuna register our application. Our application is app ambao tumeitengeneza. Na our project is a project. So navigate to install the apps kwenye settings. Good. So hapa, hoja hapa chini na just ku add application. So weka quotation then naandika app ambao ni this application. Okay. Now good. Now let's create model. Model, then nakuja kuifungua application. Our application is up. Now expand it, then access models. Double click it. Now here you create your models here. What is model? Model is a schema or table. Okay, now delete it. So here any comment. From Django.db, db is database, import models. Okay, now good. So what is Django from db? Unaweza press control keypad, you hold, then you can click a particular object. Now you can click db, it open db. Kila kitu kimekuwa defined humu, like exceptions, database exceptions, connections, so on. So now sisi tunaruku design kwa sababu kila kitu kishakuwa defined kwenye Django. Now sababu model ni nyingi na zina take time to create model. Now wewe kuchukua hii source code, download source code, then from source code open up, open models. This is models. First we just create model into a department. The first model is department. Now copy department from source code, okay, and I come to our models hapa, okay. So now paste. Good. Class department. Then this is inheritance. In Python inheritance we extend models inheritance, and we have 3 fields: department name, head of department, and the registered date. Department name equal to models ambayo ni hapa dot character field. Character field in MySQL is variable character or varchar. Okay, is character field. Maximum length is data size. Data size when MySQL is 250, I think. Okay, and primary key is constraint. Primary key is constraint. Constraint is primary key means department name is unique and is not null. High accepted application. No matter primary key. Registered date is current date, automatic current date. Okay, what is the class meter? In run kwenye hii hapa variable's name is department. Now this is class department is technical name, but nataka kuweka name ambayo user ata understand, ndo maana hii. Okay, and now we return a department name. Kwa nini tuna return? Ili kuiona ile department yenyewe na si kuona technical names. I think that is the concept. So this is a department. Another class is instructor. So copy instructor, copy it, and come to paste. Okay, good. Now you can see class instructor. Now tumefanya inheritance ya abstract user. Hapa tulifanya inheritance ya models, lakini hapa tumefanya nini? Kwa tunatumia Django model. Kuna model kwenye Django inaitwa user, tuna extend kwa kuiongezea nini? Fields. Okay, first name, middle name and last name, tunaongeza hizi fields abstract user. Kwa hivyo tunachokifanya nini? Tuna import hii hapa from django.contrib.authentication.models import abstract user. Now copy it. Now come to duplicate. Okay, so let me show you kwenye hii hapa our application ambayo ni hii, and tuirani application currently na run ya demo application. Now open your application here hapa. Okay, so come to directory address bar, highlight and write cmd. Okay, then just write python main.py, run saver, then click enter to execute. Now our saver na run. Okay, after running saver kwa katika hii web address bar hapa, now refresh our site and login. Okay, now it may login. Now click on users. Yes, good. So this is a default Django user default. Okay, now tunataka tuongeze column hapa. Nikiklik hadi user, unaona kuna information zipo chache katika hii default maana yake hii model ya users ni built-in model, hatuja create, ni built-in, ipo kwenye Django mom. Sasa tunataka katika hii kuongeza fields hapa, fields ziongezeke ziwe nyingi. Kwa ajili gani? Hii model ni powerful sana katika upande wa security. Kwa tunaitumia hii. Kwa hiyo model tunaitumia, lakini tunaitumia kwa kutumia class inaitwa instructor. Kwa tunaposema abstract user, Django anakuja kuiextend hii model, anaiongezea nini? Anaiongezea hizo fields. Fields hizi fields ndo zitakuja humu, zitajipanga humu, zitaongezeka. Okay, and I think that. And nimeongeza fields ngapi? First name, middle name, last name, department, registered date, and so many. Okay, this is a class meta, nishaelezea, na ina return what? Username. Unaona hapa nina return username haipo. Hapa na first name, middle name, last name, department, registered date. Username na return haipo. Kumbe basi na amna error kwa sababu yeye ashaelewa username ipo hii hapa kwenye default nini? Default Django user model, kwa anaitambua. So another class is after copying instructor. Now copy timetable. Now come to duplicate. Unaweza kaedit kwa vile utakavyoona wewe inafaa. This is a class inaitwa timetable. Tume extend model hii, tumefanya inheritance then year of start is variable character and maximum length is 9. Taken program semester, I think semester is integer field, I think, no problem. Department is foreign key. It refer primary key of department model. Okay, so unaona hii is foreign key. References is department. Okay, whereas department is this one. This is references. Ina refer nini? Ina refer department name ambayo ni primary key, because foreign key must be a primary key of another table. So on delete equal to model.cascade. Hii ni tuna force referential target. On delete equal to models.cascade. how to force refresh and target, on delete, cascade, or on up to date, cascade, and so many. Hizo ni force refresh and target. Okay, now registered date is automatically capture current date, and this is a return program. I think that is timetable main. Timetable main, we have a course name. Here to add courses, list of courses. Now copy it and come to paste in project. Now good. Class course name. In for number fields, ya kwanza ni course code, registered date, and course descriptions. Okay. And I think other things are nothing normal. Unique together, course and course code. Sio functional requirements kwa vile no problem. Of course kinachofuata ni kuicopy hii hapa venue. Okay, venue. Now copy it and come to duplicate venue. Okay. So venue is venue is like a classroom, teaching classroom. Unaweza kusema kitu hicho in venue. Okay. Venue is venue name ambayo ni primary key. Sababu kila venue ni unique, and registered date. Another is, I think last ni timetable. Now copy timetable. Hii ndio timetable yenyewe ambayo is copied and come to duplicate. Okay, now good. Here you can see course name. In timetable, course name is a foreign key. References is course name. Course name is course name. References is this model. Kwenye toka kwenye hii model. Inatoka kwenye nini? Inatoka kwenye primary key. Remember, foreign key is the primary key of another table. Unaposema foreign key ni lazima ile key ya kule juu hiyo ni primary. Otherwise utakuwa umeformat vibaya. Instructor of a particular session or course is a foreign key from what? From instructor. And on delete equal to model.cascade. And venue is a foreign key also. From what? From venue. Okay. And on delete equal to models.cascade. Force information target. Time start and time end. Time start your session, time end is time field. Alright. Day from Monday to Tuesday. Okay. Equal to models.select choice from day choices. I think I needed to copy day choices and sessions. Okay, day choices and sessions from source code. Nakuja hapa katika my project, nakuja hapa juu hapo, just paste day choices. Now you can see it's just like an array, and sessions just like an array. Okay, now navigate to kitchen. Okay, now good. And day from choices, Monday to Friday. Program is a foreign key from timetable main. Where is timetable main? This one. Kwa nitapiki program kutoka hapa. Ni foreign key. And session type is can be lecture, presentation, is from session, and I pick session. Can be tutorial, lecture, lab, discussion, so on. Okay. Now good. Now click file, click save to save changes. Open our project. I think this is a project. Now good. Utakuta tumefanya swapping. Okay, hapa katika instructor hii hapa, let's show you. Kwenye hii instructor tumefanya swapping. What is swapping? Unatumia user defined class or model inaitwa instructor kui extend default Django model inaitwa user kwa kuongezea columns. Hicho kitendo tunasema umeiswap user model, umeiswap. Ukishakuwa umeiswap lazima uifanyie routing. Na routing unafanya kwenye settings.py. So now open it, source code, then open settings.py, this one. Then let's check for routing. Now routing. This is the routing. Authentication user model is our application name is app and our model name is instructor. hapa tumefanyaje? Tumeswap default Django user model. Now copy it and come to our project, navigate to settings, and at the end, I think hapa the end hapa, I think nisha paste kama sikosei, paste basi ni paste hapa, paste hapa here hapa. So what is the app? Is your application name this one, app? Okay, this. What is instructor? Instructor is our model name, instructor. The same is case sensitive, ambao tume swap default Django user model. Kwa lazima ifanye routing. Now save changes. Now good. Now come to check your project in a run. Another issue is we need to stop the saver first, okay? And after stopping the saver, to delete everything in migrations. Delete everything in migrations. So expand migrations. I think no migration is done. Come to database. This is our database. Right click our database and delete. Choose delete. Okay, delete it and just delete. Okay, delete everything. Why? Kwa ajili ya hichi kitu cha instructor hichi hapa hiki. Sababu hizi model, hizi fields zikishakuwa registered, interfere user ambaye ameshakuwa registered. I think after doing so, I need to migrate, perform migrations. Now good, and Python manage.py make make migrations, then specify application name. Application name is app. Okay, is app. After then click enter. There is an error in an instructor groups. Instructor crashes with the reverse accessor for authentication user groups, and change related name. Okay, I think there is a problem somewhere. There is a problem. And let's comment the instructor. Let's try to comment. Okay, now save changes. Let's try to perform migrations. Make migrations. Oh, good. Okay, so now migrate. Migrate. No installed app with the label migrate. Okay, I'm sorry. So I'm because spelling. So migrate is this one. This is migrate. Okay, migrate, and then key enter to execute. So done. Let's try to uncomment this line. Good. Now save changes. So make migration again. Make my migration up. Okay. And provide a default. I think let's press 1. And after pressing 1, choose the time zone now. So hapa tandika time zone now. That's right. Time and time zone. Ikijatokea message kama hii dot now, then this is a function. This is a type function. Okay. And then click enter. Now we need to migrate. Okay. No. Okay. Spelling. Migrate ni hapa. Migrate. Ooh, so this syntax error. Okay, I think this is a problem again. Let's troubleshoot it. Kuja hapa katika project, it's a problem. Okay, kwenye project tuna delete migrations. This is a migration. This one migration. Now delete it. I need to delete migration. And okay, when database also delete it. Okay, good. And here hapa table just tunai cut, just we just could remove, then save changes. Then hapa tuna migrate again, make migrations, delete model timetable. Okay, good. After tuna make migration again, migrate kwenye database, migrate, no install. Okay, spelling is this one. Okay, now good. Then again, kwa sababu tulifuta database, we need to create a super user. So let's write create super user, create super user. Okay, and click it. Username is Samir, email address empty, password is empty, and then password is of course you put one again and put yes. Good. Okay, now let's paste it here, then save changes, then make migration again, migration, this one. Okay, done. Then migrate. Good. And now run saver. And where is run saver? So I run saver. Now good. Save and run. Now nikija hapa kwenye application, refresh, login again. Let's copy it. Okay, let's go to admin site. Okay, this is admin site. Okay, good. So after doing so, hakuna model yoyote ilikuwa created hapo, ilikuwa registered. So we needed to register a model. So come to download the source code, then open admin.py. So double click to open. So Control A shortcut ya ku copy, or in control copy moja, just copy it hapo, then open admin site kwenye our application, then delete everything, then paste it. Now here's an importation. To import Jazzmin from default Django admin, to import user admin, to import from models, to import everything, style, everything from Django, to import forms. Okay, then let's copy here department class, and then we come to duplicate. Okay, now good. So class department and blah 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 blah. Here just inheritance, to inherit nini, model admin, list display, list of displayed fields. Filter, just filter. Search field kwa ajili ya kusearch. Date hierarchy ni date hierarchy. List editable ni zile list ambazo unataka edit. List per page is 10. This is a pagination. This is pagination. We need to format a date to look material design, and format HTML is not identified. I think format HTML return. What is the format? I think from models hapo, just copy to hata hii kwenye models, format HTML, and come to duplicate. This is to register our model. Our model is department. Control S shortcut to save changes. Now come to refresh our project. Now you can see department. Click it. Then here you can add a department. Again, in admin source code. Okay, tuna copy instructor. Okay, just copy it, instructor, and come to duplicate source code instructor. We have username, first name, last name, middle name. This is a display list. I think zinafahamika kwa sababu zimetoka kwenye fields. Hizi si list filter and search fields. Unaweza kumsearch instructor kwa username na email. List maximum is pagination, list editable. Cha kuzingatia kwamba hii list editable, hii first field haitaki kuwa local hapa. Ndio kitu cha kuzingatia. Field set hii ni kwa ajili ya usability, okay, and hapa format date, save changes and come to refresh and output here. Now you can see instructor, nikiclick naona nime add department kwenye default Django user mode, lakini select department empty mpaka ni add department. Come to department, click add new department, information technology, add of department, then click save. Good. So come to instructor, add a new instructor. Okay, I'm sorry. Samir, first name is this one, last name, middle name, and my email address. Then I pick here department is Mona. Now inaonekana department from department model. Then hii ni inline editing. Hapa panafanya inline editing na hii ndio date ambayo tulifanyia editing. Save changes. Good. Now Samir information zake zimeshakuwa save. Kama information system technology haijaandikwa vizuri, naenda kuedit kule. So na click hapa. I think hapa ikubali kuedit, lakini hapa naweza nika add department name, labda economics, head of department Kim, click save. Now Shamir badilika Samir from information technology to economics and click save. I think that is instructor. Again ngoja kwenye hapa timetable main, copy it and come to our source code and then the package. Okay, now good. So here we have timetable main admin. This is a list display. You have start, program, semester and so on. List filter kwa ajili ya ku filter search fields and date hierarchy. And list display is pagination. List editable is semester and department into format date. Save changes and come to refresh and output. Good. Timetable main imekuwa added. Now nikiclick, hizi ndo zile list filter, naweza nikafilter by semester, by department, by date, today or so on. Then add a new year of study, year 1. Program, masters of blah 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 blah. Semester 1. Department na pick hizi ambazo zipo kwenye department information technology. Then I click save. Department table means imeshakuwa added. Okay, again so this is the date picker widget. Let's copy it. Date picker widget and let's paste. Hiyo date picker nafanya kazi ya user kupick time kwenye ile admin side, kupick time. Yes, kupick time. So hii ni class inaitwa date picker. Tume extend inheritance. Template ni ipo kwenye widgets, ndio template name timepicker.html. Okay, so we need to create this widget. So copy it, come to template. Okay, no template. So hapa kwenye app, right click, new folder. Folder name is templates. Templates, then click enter. Now good. Inside the templates, right click and new folder. Folder name is widgets. Then click enter. Inside widgets, right click, new file. File name is date_picker.html. Click enter. Hii hapa imefunguka. Humu unaweka kodi hizi hapa. Nakuja hapa kwenye templates na expand. Nakuja kwenye widgets datepicker.html, copy zote alafu njoo paste humu. Okay, tumaliza hicho kipengele. So hii kwa ngoja kuonyesha ile ukiwa unatumia Android simu ya Android kuiaccess hii site, ile date picker italeta dialog ambayo ni material design dialog nzuri sana kwa ajili ya kupick time ya kipindi, start time and end time. Now so rudi hapa kwenye source code, nitakuja kwenye admin, nitaendelea kucopy hizi hapa timetable admin, copy it ni kama hapa kwenye source code, paste. Okay. Okay, this is a timetable admin. Tuna register mode inaitwa timetable. So form, timetable form, I think timetable form hapa nimetengeneza kwa ajili ya nini? Kwa ajili ya time start and time end. Time start and time end, na hizo zipo kwenye models ambazo ni hizi hapa, time start and time end kwenye models. Okay. Okay. So list filter for filtering, search fields, date hierarchy, I think everything hapa inafahamika. This is pagination. Save changes. Okay, now let's refresh. Good. Timetable hapa imetokea, na click. Now add a new timetable. Good. Course name na pick. So no course is registered. Kwa natakiwa nije hapa kwenye my source code ni register hii course name and ni register venue. Okay, now tumalizie tu name and venue. So now come, let's see, paste it, save changes. Now come to refresh and output. Good. Now you can see venue na timetables and course. Now click on course, then add a new course. Course name is LG. Course code is LG1. Course description is communication skills for scientists. Click save. Good. Come to timetables, then add a new timetable. Course name is LG. I think uliona nimeadd pale. Kama nataka ni add nyingine na click hii hapa na add outline. Course name is this one, and this is unaweza kaandika any. Okay, I think labda business communication and so blah blah blah. This is a course description. This is a course description here. Business communication, and BCom 1-2 is course code, then click save. Tuna metokea hapa. This is the course name hapa. Okay, then naweza choose hii LG au hii. Okay, and instructor, current instructor. Kama nataka ni mwadi another instructor na click hapa. The username is Alice and password is okay, and confirm password. And click save. Alice ameshatokea huyu hapa. Hata nikija katika table ya instructor nao sio users tena, nikiselect nitamwona Alice huyu, lakini kuna other information hazijawekwa. Naweza nikasedit hapa inline na nikapiki department from department, au nika-click ya Alice mwenyewe. Tayari information za wadi tayari. Personal information ndio nitaklik hiyo email address. Taandika tu Alice hapo, majina yake yote ni hayo hapo. Department information tamwasani wa department hiyo. Permission tamwasani kuwa staff. Okay, na of course inatosha. Nitaklik save. Alice information zake hizi, unaona, ambaye ndi huyu hapa Alice. Venue amna venue ilikuwa added. Kwa naweza nikaja kwenye venue nika add venue au nika edit hapa inline. So nitakuja hapa venue ni lecture room 1, then save. Lecture room 1 itatokea hapa. Time start kuanzia muda huu AM mpaka muda huu AM au PM. Okay, day Monday, program masters for blah blah blah. Session type is tutorial. Okay, then save. Good. So tayari imeshakuwa added here. Okay. Okay, na nikija kwenye venue, ile venue wa lecture room 1 hii hapa inatokea huko kwenye lecture room 1. Okay? How good. So I think everything is good. Tumeachieve specific objectives kwenye this episode. Model and model migration tumefanya. Tumeregister model kwenye admin site na business logics. Business logics ipo kwenye views, lakini hata kwenye admin site kuna business logics ambazo ni hizi hapa. Okay? Okay. So kwenye next episode tutakuja kucheck how to create a student panel. A student ambapo anaweza aka search course, program, year, then aka check timetable.